alive and well, we take that for granted. And that's why 50% of all people die without a will, because people think, I'm going to get to it. I will do it at some later point. I have time. I'll get to it. It'll be done, right? That's what we think. And hopefully you don't think that, because a state-run plan, more often than not, is not the best plan. I had someone call me today. His father had gotten remarried and does not have a will and recently passed away. And there was a home owned. And the question was, who's getting this home? Well, now the children of that deceased parent have to share with the second spouse. It's probably not what the father wanted. So accident or illness, incompetence. Well, the legal word is incapacity. So if you don't have capacity to take care of yourself, to know or understand that you might be a danger to yourself or others, or that you can't do your activities of daily living. The general word on the street, so to speak, is incompetence. And you hear someone's incompetent. That's a medical word. We use the word incapacity. I often will get telephoned for prospective clients that a person that significantly of young age, right? If you're younger, you might not think so, but a person in their 50s that had a heart attack or a stroke. And sometimes people in that circumstance have to go to the hospital, then they need to go to rehab, then they need, right? There's an entire infrastructure of disability. And if you can't be discharged because you have no one at home and you don't have a plan in place, I have had circumstances where people will have a $42,000 bill that has to be paid because they went from hospital to rehabilitation center. They have a home, they have assets, but they just don't have the the plan in place to go home. What about Terry Schiavo? Terry Schiavo was a very famous case years ago. She did not plan when she could have.